Hey everyone, thank you all for watching my last video. I really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing it. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for giving it a like and for commenting on it. This video is going to be about eyebrows. Last night I posted a picture on Instagram asking you guys what you guys wanted to watch next, and you guys said eyebrows. So this video is going to be about that. I'm going to be showing you guys the products I'm going to be using. So to conceal, I'm going to be using the L.A Girl Concealer in Porcelain and the number GC969. That's to underline. The next one is going to be the Maybelline Fit Me number 25 in medium. I'm going to go ahead and put it on top of my eyebrow. Brushes. The brushes I'm going to be using are the Morphe M705 and then just a spoolie, and I'm going to be using the M.A.C-208, an angle brush, and this special one I'm going to be using M.A.C-Dip Brown. You're just going to be able to use a little bit because a lot goes a long way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So we're gonna start off by brushing our eyebrows. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our concealer, whatever concealer you prefer. I like this one because it's better, and when you're trying to smush it out, it does it really smooth and fast. We're just gonna underline the brow just to get the shape. I use the Morphe M705. Then we're going to go ahead and grab a brush and just smudge it. And it's going to look like this. We're going to go ahead and do it to the other one as well. We're going to go ahead and grab our dip brown or whatever gel you're using. I like to start from the end. I never like to touch the front, and just shape my eyebrow. We're going to go ahead and grab our spoolie and just brush it out. Don't worry if it looks ugly. We will clean it. Again, we're going to go with our concealer. Do the same steps. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our concealer Maybelline. I use it in medium. It's number 25. I just tap a little bit on my top eyebrow, on the top of my eyebrow, and just align it. If you need more concealer, go ahead and put more. We're going to clean it out. And then with the flat brush, just clean it.